everyone. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done, everyone. Are you ready for some phonics today? I've got Snowy in his box. Do you want to say hello to Snowy first? Can you say hello, Snowy? Oh, he's giving you all a wave, everyone. Snowy, have you got some new things inside your box for us today? Yes, he has, boys and girls. Are you ready to find out what's in Snowy's box? Can you sing the song with me to find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, what does this look like? It looks to me like some juice, maybe some orange juice. My turn. Juice. Your turn. My turn again. Juice. Your turn again. Well done, everyone. Put that nice and safe. It's nice and cold as well. The weather's very warm outside, so it's nice to have some cold juice. I bet Snowy will enjoy that later. Shall we see what else is inside the box? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's a heavy box today. It's not bouncing around a lot. Do you know what this is, everybody? It's a jar, so you can keep things inside it. You can put food in it and keep it fresh. You can put your elastic bands in there. You can put little toys in here. So it's a jar. My turn. Jar. Your turn. My turn again. Jar. Your turn again. Well done. So we've got some juice, a jar. I wonder what else is inside the box. Shall we find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, this looks tasty. Do you know what that is? It's wobbly. It's jelly. I like jelly. Not everybody does. Some people really like it and some people really don't. So this is some jelly. My turn. Jelly. Your turn. My turn again. Jelly. Your turn again. Well done. So we've had jelly, jar, juice, and I think there's only one last thing left in there. Wonder what it is. Shall we find out? Let's sing. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh. Oh, it's one of Miss Rani's favourite things. It's strawberry jam, everybody. Strawberry jam. Miss Rani really likes scones, and on there she puts her jam and her cream. Love that. Some people like jam sandwiches. Miss Rani loves jam and scones. My turn. Jam. My turn again. Jam. Well done. So in our box today, we had some jam, jelly, a jar, and some juice. Let's pop them on top of Snowy's box and pop Snowy on his box as well. These are all his things that were inside his box today. Now, boys and girls, today's sound was j. It's a short sound. Can you see Miss Rani's lips are together? J. My teeth are together. J. The sound comes from the back. Have a go at saying it and have a look if you can find anything that starts with j. Well done, everyone. Let's give ourselves some high fives. Ready? Well done, me. Well done, everyone. Remember, only one video a day, and I will see you again soon. So can we say bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Can we say bye, everyone? Your turn. Well done, everyone. I'll see you again soon.